Introduction to creating a KML file in Google Earth. Hello everyone. Welcome to this video tutorial on how to create a KML file in Google Earth. Google Earth makes it very easy to create KML files. These files can be created for various purposes, such as mapping locations, marking boundaries, defining routes, and creating drawing files. In this video, you will learn 4 different methods of creating a KML file for use in drawing and mapping applications. Method 1. Create a KML file using Google Earth Pro. Open Google Earth Pro. In the Places panel, select My Places or create a new folder. Add the required geographic features, placemark point, click Add Placemark. Path, line, click Add Path. Polygon, area, click Add Polygon. Enter the name and other required details. Click OK to save the feature. After creating all the required objects, right-click the folder or object in the Places panel. Select Save Place as. Choose one of the following formats: KML, *.kml, standard KML file, KMZ, *.kmz, compressed KML file. Specify the file name and location, and then click Save. The saved file can now be shared or opened in Google Earth and other GIS applications. Method 2. Create a KML file from Latitude and Longitude. Open Google Earth Pro. Click Add. Placemark. Enter the required latitude and longitude coordinates. Click OK. Save the placemark using Save Place As to generate the KML file. Method 3. Create a KML file using Notepad. A KML file is essentially an XML-based text file and can be created manually using a text editor such as Notepad. Example of a simple KML file. This example creates a single point near Bengaluru. Save the text file with a .kml extension and open it in Google Earth to view the location. Method 4. Create a KML file from directions. Google Earth Pro allows you to search for locations and obtain directions between 2 places. The generated route can also be saved as a KML file. Step 1. Open Google Earth Pro. Launch Google Earth Pro on your computer. Step 2. Select Directions. Click the Directions tab in the Search panel. You will see 2 fields: From, To. Step 3. Enter the starting location. In the From box, enter the starting location. You can specify place names, addresses, latitude or longitude coordinates. Example, from Bengaluru. Step 4. Enter the destination location. In the To box, enter the destination. Example, to Mysuru. Step 5. Get directions. Click Search or press Enter. Google Earth Pro will display the route on the map. Route information and turn-by-turn directions will appear in the search panel. Step 6. Save the route. Optional. In the Places panel, the generated route appears as a temporary item. Drag it to My Places if you want to keep it permanently. Right-click the route and select Save Place As. Save it as a KML or KMZ file. Thank you for watching this video.